Hey, what's up, guys? Back here with another video today. We're gonna do something a little bit different. I'm on the old gas powered G right here. My squirrel killing, carrying, riding thing. Yeah. I think today we're gonna do a moto vlog. I've put thought into it, and I got this thing, and it can go through water and mud. So it got me thinking. Yesterday I kind of ran into this thing where this dude was on his gator and he was like chasing me down a dirt road because I got suspicious and I looked under his sheet and it had some kind of animal paw in it and there was fur everywhere, there was blood everywhere. I'm not going to show that clip to y'all. It was gruesome. It was pretty gruesome to me. I almost threw up. But I had to jump across the ditch to get to it and it just kind of freaked me out a little bit. I kept looking back on the porch to make sure no one was there. And right as I hopped back over the ditch, I looked, and there was a random man in the middle of his yard. And I got on the golf cart, and I started up as quick as possible. I tried to get out of there, and I heard him yelling something. I was like, sorry, no, I'm not even going to stop. I kept going. Next thing I know, I turned around and looked like right as I hit a corner, I turned around, and I look, and a gator comes flying out around his house. Funny thing is, he didn't come down the dirt road, though. He actually came, like, through the woods, and he was just chasing me and chasing me and chasing me. So I think I'm not going to go down that dirt road for a little while. But if you guys want to see some action, I'd be glad to comment down below and just put all caps and say action, and I'll probably ride down there and see if I can get a dude chase me again. Woo! But I think today we're going to do a moto vlog, and we're just going to like ride through all this mud down here. I know there's mud and there's water. If we get stuck, we get stuck. If we don't get stuck, awesome, because then we can do it even more. But we're not going to do like major riding. I'll probably do a little bit of like showing me going through mud and stuff, and then probably just ride around on like dirt roads and stuff. I know this dirt road is right back here. There's dogs that chase me every time I go down it, so we'll probably get that after this. But yeah, I'm going to turn y'all around and just flip you around. As you can see, we already got a little bit of mud right here. Who cares? Skeet straight through that. Okay, well, the gate's already open. Should have left the shotgun at home, but we didn't, so it's on me. Yeah, let's do it. Oh my god. Ow. A rock hit me. I'm already muddy. Boys, like, that's how muddy it is back here. I'm already muddy, and I've only gone through 2 spots. Like, I don't want to go through all the deep stuff like that, because this thing cannot go more than, like, 15 miles an hour, and this thing will definitely get stuck. So, I know it'll get stuck because I've done it before. So, I know there's a big mud hole up here that I really want to hit. So we're just kind of going to get y'all ready. We're not going to go through that because that's pure mud. Mud will make this thing stop. I'm trying to look for the mud hole. Hopefully it's not mud. Hopefully it's got some water in it. Boys, if it's got water in it, we're going straight through it. It's this one right up here. Oh, boys. Y'all are in luck today. Oh! Oh, wow. Yep, I got soaked. That's amazing. Oh crap, that was a bad idea. That was a really, really bad idea. Oh man, I'm soaked. The old G's soaked. 20 gauge soaked. Oh, this isn't good. Okay, we're going. I may need to go home and change before we go on dirt roads, but you know what? For the sake of it, nah, we're not gonna do it. Yeah, that's the mud hole I just went through. Like a beast. I just come down here and drive it in the car. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. How to spend your Sunday afternoon. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get back to you whenever we get on the road, please. Let's go. Let's get on. Driving love it, get it, driving. Oh crap. Boys, we are soaked down in mud. Nobody's working, man. It's freaking Sunday. It's Sunday. Nobody wants to work on Sunday. This first house right here, this is usually where the dogs decide they want to chase me. So let's see if they're out, and if they are, they're most likely going to chase me. I'm starting, heads off. I don't see, oh, yep, there's one. There's Uno dog. Oh, there's Ghost dog. Hey, buddy. puddles. Yeah, buddy. I had to go through them twice. I wasn't thinking of it, I was gonna go through it once. And then I figured out, gosh dang it, there, gotta go through it twice to get back to the fence. Or else I would have had to go through a straight mud puddle all the way back, but I don't want to do that again. I'm already stuck in. There's a dachshund. There's a dachshund running this way. He's running this way, boys. Oh, we're gonna be screwed. He's gonna chase us. Guess what? Gotta get dog glove. Hey, buddy, you tired? Yeah, I know you're tired. I'm not staying though. I mean, it was nice meeting you. I don't think I've ever seen you before. I don't even think you were chasing me. I know that's Dachshund House. Because there's a sign up there that says beware of dachshunds. Okay, let's go! Alright, we're going to ride past those dogs real quick. Stir up some commotion right there. And then we're going to take a ride back down that way. And get on a dirt road down there. I saw, I think it was a black panther. It may have just been a really, really large cat. We're going to ride down there and we're going to check it out right after this. So yeah, I'm just going to keep on so you can see the dogs and stuff. It's amazing. She loved me. I think she trolled me. That dog is a real crowd pleaser. I said that dog is a real crowd pleaser. Oh boys. Oh boys. He's waiting on me. He's waiting on me. He's waiting on me. He was laying down on the side of the road. He was waiting on me. Please don't let me hit you. Don't run out in front of me. Don't be mental. Don't run out in front of me. Hi. Oh, there goes number 2. No, okay, I have a feeling this one might run out. Oh, you know better. Yep. Hey, guys. Bye. Have a nice time. Amazing. Oh, they want a dove. They want a dove, guys. Oh, they want a crow, guys. Love Sundays. Okay. As you can see, I have still clearly lost my voice. I play soccer and I'm a keeper, so I have to yell a lot. So me yelling a lot is a side effect of my voice sounding like this right now. So I'm really sorry if my voice is like this. If you want me to shut up, I'll shut up. But if not, guess what? You're in luck. Oh, no, there's a shut up. If not, you're in luck, because I'm going to keep talking the whole time, because that's how freaking retarded I am. And I know to get your voice back, you have to stop talking, but I'm a talkaholic is what some people would call it. Talk addict, talkaholic. See, you talk a lot. Oh my gosh, I'm soaked. Drenched, soaked, I love it. Oh, my grandparents are home. Ooh, I'm in so much trouble. No, I'm not. Other dirt road it is. I'll see you boys whenever we get here. Alright boys, we made it to the next dirt road. It's amazing because maybe that panther's there, maybe he's not. If he is, he's gonna run away. But we might be able to get some really good footage of him. How much you wanna bet he's there? Okay, I stand incorrected. He's gone. Okay. Well, that makes plenty of sense. The past couple of times I drove down this road this morning, he was tanning. He was sun tanning. It's kind of weird. A sun tanning cat. That's amazing, guys. I don't know the lady that lives there, but it's a nice house. I hope. But he was just tanning like right here. See him or not. I saw him earlier. He's a big cat, no doubt. But he gone. Oh yeah, he's gone. That was definitely a panther. Panthers are known for sun tanning. Oh. Amazing. This is a moto vlog, so yeah. Moto vlog. Comment down below. Oh my gosh, why am I stopping? Comment down below if you like moto vlogs, if you want to see more moto vlogs. I might get a moto vlog and a daily and or not a daily, weekendly. Yeah, that's how you do it, I think. So I'll probably, if y'all like this, just comment down below and say I want to see more moto vlogs. Even if I get a couple saying it, I'm probably gonna do some more moto vlogs. I'm gonna go ahead and get over with it. Like, subscribe, and I may have another video coming out here in hour or so. I'm gonna try and do some crappie fishing. I mean, me and my grandpa, we went crappie fishing yesterday, and we caught a total of 21 fish, 19 crappie and 2 bluegill. There are some big freaking bass in there. I'm almost positive I hooked onto like a 4 5 6 pounder yesterday. He spit it out though. I was really mad because it was a really big bass. Oh my gosh, bass are good to eat. But we cleaned all those crappie up and those 2 brim. And I've never tried crappie before. I've never caught a crappie. Out of yesterday, my new PB is half a pound. A half-pound crappie. I don't know if that's good, but that pond is just stocked with crappie, and I don't know if there's big ones in there or not. Oh my God, there's turkey right there. Boys, no way there's turkey. Holy crap. I'm positive that's what that is. Boys, there's turkey right there. I'm gonna see how close I can get. But right on the side of the road, there's 2 black figures. Those are turkey. I thought they were buzzards. And now I'm positive that they're turkey, boys. Yep, there they go. One just went into the woods, and there's the other one. No, there was 3. Holy crap. Boys, there he goes. Oh my God. Turkey on the dirt road. Let's get it. That's gonna, how about that? Moto vlogs are awesome because you usually see stuff you don't. Doves. Oh my gosh. I would love to crack a shot at them, but I really want to see these turkey real quick. Maybe they hadn't run far. Go ahead and look at the backwoods, see if you can see them. Not there. They were a little bit further up here though. Look, there goes another. Or that's not one. I think that's a pro. Dude, but they were right here. For sure, man. For sure. Turkey right here. There's a male. Holy crap. That's a huge male. Holy crap. Dude, that's a 12-inch beard male. Holy crap. Oh my God, there's another one. There's another male. That one's got a small beard. Dude, I just saw a 12-inch beard male. Holy crap. Dude, should I shoot at one? Oh my God, there he is. He's freaking huge. Alright, guys. We're gonna continue with the ride. Guys, as you just saw, I just saw so many turkey. Like maybe a herd of like 4, or like not 4, like 20. I don't know why I said 4. I was thinking 40 for a second. There was so many. There was 2 males. There was one with like a 4-inch beard, and then there was one with a freaking 12-inch beard. I swear to God, I was freaking out so bad I wanted to shoot it. I didn't though. Dude, he was huge. He fluffed himself out, and that beard just stuck straight down. Oh my God. Oh, that thing was huge. I don't even know if y'all could see it or not. I just went back and rewatched that video, and I really couldn't even see it. So, I mean, y'all are going to have like heck of good eyes to be able to see that male. So, I know y'all saw him like as I was driving up, but boys, I swear there was a 12-inch beard male in that group. Holy crap. We're going to continue riding. Probably going to head back to the house here soon. See if maybe later me and my grandpa can go crappie fishing just for fun, like catch and release. So, boys, that was cool. That was amazing. I don't think I've ever drove up on a dirt road and seen that many turkey, especially a 12-inch beard male. Like, that was insane. I mean, some people may not believe that I just saw a 12-inch beard male, but some may. Dude, right here would be a perfect spot to look for them. Clear openings. Oh my gosh. I mean, there's a creek right here, so set by water source, food source. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. That was amazing. That was freaking awesome, boys. As cool as that was, and the adrenaline that was pumping through my body when I saw that male, I was freaking out, and I was freaking out, and I was freaking out. I swear, guys. Oh my gosh. That was a big freaking male, y'all. I mean, that was a giant male. There's a car coming, so we're gonna stay over here close to the side of the road. I'm gonna see if me and my grandpa can go crappie fishing for fun. Maybe we can, maybe we can't. Okay, I'm good for a second. I can pull right out here. Skip all that stuff. Alright, I'm just looking for him right now. Ooh, there. Dude, they're right there. Holy crap. Boys. They're literally like they're right back here. I swear. They're just all sitting there. My gosh. Good Lord. Dude, just right here. Saw all of them. Oh, that got my adrenaline pumping so much. Okay, well, yeah, so we're gonna head back to the house. Thanks for watching my first ever moto vlog, guys. Comment down below if you want to see more moto vlogs. I don't know, just like, subscribe, tell your friends to come check out the channel. We're gonna have a lot of more videos coming out. Me and my neighbor, during the weeks, we're gonna try and do, y'all know Jake, y'all saw him in the Harvey's prank video. If you haven't watched that video, you gotta go watch. That video was so fun. It was fun to make. I bet it was fun to watch. My hair is just messed up on me right now, but go watch that video if you haven't. Don't click off just yet. Like, subscribe, go tell your friends, join the channel. Gonna have a lot more videos coming out on weekends and weeks. Like I was about to say before I cut myself off. We're gonna try and get some more prank videos coming out. Not exactly sure like what kind of pranks we're gonna do. We have some ideas. We're gonna like scare people or shop out of people's baskets, kind of stuff like that. And then on the weekends, it'll probably just be me by myself, and I'll be doing hunt and fishing videos. It's getting warmer, so the fishing is going to be coming out a lot more, you guys. Going to have a lot more fishing videos. So yeah, go tell your friends, join the channel, like, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching, and we'll see you next time on County Outdoors.